Hey everybody, the male and female crossbill are over there. Show you, I just love birds. And these bird feeders draw so many. So here they are right there. Aren't they so pretty? Aww. The red one is the male, and the yellow one is the female. And they're looking right at us. They got the little bird seed in their mouth, chewing away. Yeah, I wonder if they mate for life. Some birds do. I know owls do. Oh, and there's a little chickadee right here. I don't know if he's flying away, but no, he's here hopping. Isn't he so cute? I just love birds. They're so pretty. Bella's still asleep, so I won't get her picture, but I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Hugs.